Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are a beginner, I want to teach you how different between stocks and exchange currency. Okay, so this chart already pulled it up before. So I want us to see something here very differently. This chart is for Euro USD. Okay, this chart you can see here, Euro USD monthly. But what I need you to learn different between stocks and exchange, okay, currencies. Let's pull this one here. If you are so keenly, you can see there's something different. I don't know if you can see it. In most stocks, we do have this thing here. We call them gap. Even if I pull daily, if I pull monthly, if I pull weekly, we're gonna see this gap here. Okay. So why am I telling you different between currency and stocks? Is this thing here. You see, in currency most of the time we don't have these gaps, okay, but in stocks we do have this gap mostly, okay. Even if I pull Apple, okay, let's see Apple in daily, you must see there's a gap between some. You see, you can see that gap, okay. So this would normally happen in stocks. If you want to trade, the best way to trade in stocks is long term, okay. That's the only biggest the way to trade on stocks. Then if you are trading stocks and you're a beginner, you need to look at this thing here, okay. You can see this chart, okay. You can see this chart. I have already pulled it earlier before, okay. This chart, what you need to focus on mostly are these people, dealers, asset management. Then look at this this formula. You can see all of them, they're going long. You can see dealers going long, most of them. Asset management, half of it going long. You see others going long. At least most of these people here. Do you know why? Because the best way to trade a stock is going long term, okay. Long term is the only best way to trade stock. Compare with the Euro USD. If you want to see Euro USD here, you will see that most of the people who normally trade Euro USD, they normally trade daily. They trade in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, okay. So the currencies normally move in and out daily, okay. So they have a liquidity of going in, going out, going in, going out. But in stocks, okay, let me pull another one, okay. Let me look another one, which is the best, so you can see what I'm trying to say, okay. Let me pull even this one. Where is it? Yahoo, I think. Let's look for the Tesla. Can you see Tesla somewhere? Can we get Tesla somewhere? Okay. So even Cisco, if it does go the Cisco are the biggest company. They normally deal in shipping equipments, okay. So it doesn't see Tesla somewhere, okay. Doesn't not see Tesla, okay. You get my point. Different between stocks and currencies. In currency, we do not have that multiplication, that gap so much, or most of the time. But in stocks, they normally appear most of the time. You can see it. But the best way you should know if this occurred, it will come back and fill this gap. Whatever what happened, it cannot run, okay, up to down here. It cannot. It will come back and fill this gap here, okay. It will come back and fill this gap here, okay. You can see maybe in H1, H4, you see we start to come and fill. So if you want to catch this trade, you can catch it at this point, you see, because it must come back up to this point. It will come back to this point, then we go down up again. So that's the only difference between stocks and currency. Then another thing, let me show you another thing which is so different. Let's come here. You see, in stocks, the only lowest you can trade with or buy is 0.10. Let's go to Euro USD. You see, the lowest one you can trade with is 0.01. Okay, this is a big difference, because these most of them, there are only institutions who normally trade these ones. Apple, yeah, I have already got Apple earlier before, sorry for that one. Apple and Cisco, even if you look at those people who trade at those level, they're only institutions. Because look at also the Apple. Let me pick Apple. Look, the only minimum or only minimum at least 0.10. When you press this one, my brother, if you have 100,000 Kenyan shillings, or maybe in Africa, these things gonna run. Okay, so you need to know difference between stocks and currency. I will do another video to show you how to trade stocks and how to analyze stocks. Okay, so if you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channels.